Hello, Sarah. Hello, good to see you again. How are you? How are you? Are we going to do the sandbox thingy? Have you explored more about it? I haven't because my other students don't do sandbox. Share a screen, please.
Will I be the only student here again, or no?
Yes. The class is only you, Sarah, because Gadi moved to Tuesday, and yeah, this you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's do it. Cool. How cool. School's been busy.
Huh?
The school, how school?
School has been interesting, indeed.
Yeah. Lots of new lessons, lots of friends,
Mm-hmm.
and good grades, of course. All right. Okay. You check my sandbox. Huh? We can have soccer in here. Hold on, where is my sandbox? Okay, this is mine. How about yours? Hold on. How to close this one? And then, Hah, I close my sandbox. Gimana sih ini pakainya ya? Why does my sandbox looks in low resolution? It looks like tutorial. Okay. How to create my own tutorial first time. Genome. Wait. Repair. Huh? Okay. Let me find something from here. It is.
By the way,
Yes. Yes, Sarah.
while my sandbox is opening, I'm gonna do some homework, okay?
Okay. I'm going
Because
to.
why not?
All right. Hold on. I'm figuring out how to create my own because it looks different than the last time I used it. So I'm confused. It only let me play, but it doesn't let me create. So it forced me to use the templates, which is playing, not creating. So I'm going to read some tutorial for how to. You're opening Roblox, okay? So both.
I'm just agreeing. Yeah.
Home games with sandbox. Let me read. Huh. See, they let us to create our own. So why not now? Did I play? No, I'm not going to play. I need to. Oh, did I? Oh, I think I download the wrong one. Hold on. Let me find out. Where is it? Um, sandbox. This is the sandbox armature. This is the sandbox. What is the difference? I don't want this. I'm going to make this one. Building the function. Oh my god. Okay. Back to yes. Okay, have I opened it? Hey, where is my sandbox? Is this yours? Where is mine? Why does it take so long?
Nice.
Memory.
Oh, finally it stopped.
Okay, initializing engine.
Oh, what's this? Welcome to the metaverse.
Hold on, I am initializing my. Okay. Oh, what's this? Hey, looks interesting. Do you create this yourself, or is there any template, Sarah?
No, this is
It is going to be interesting if we create our own hide and seek, or like finding like hints, or like solving problems and things like that.
my god, my game is so laggy.
Okay, let me start mine. It looks interesting. Do you think?
Music again. So
It's still updating.
I'm gonna use a stronger laptop. Give me a second.
Hold on, I forgot my username. Huh. I think I have created it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to continue with Google.
Just give me like, I don't know, 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
Okay, Sarah, okay. Okay. I'm still setting up my account. I have to log in. Oh, I already have one. All right. Okay. So I already, yes, so I should use this. And the password, I forgot. So I need to see, ya apa sih? What's it? Oh, sandbox, okay. Begin. Oh, Google. Where is it? Where is my sandbox? Ah, good.
Hello, I am back.
Okay.
Okay, so
Ah, forgot username, yeah.
I'm gonna use my dad's laptop instead.
Oh, what's wrong with yours?
Mine is a MacBook. My dad has another laptop that's a Windows.
Okay.
And then,
Whatever works. Whatever works.
and then, because I have so much things open on my laptop, it's so laggy, man. So I decided that I'll just use this one because
Oh, I see.
it's a lot easier. I hope.
I hope. Okay. I think the problem of your laptop make too many things on desktop.
Yeah, but I have to leave it open though because they're all for like school. I mean, some stuff are not for school, but most of them are for school.
Most are for school. Okay. Oh, right. Where is it? Hold on. I have to delete it. So I'm going to open the application. Okay, go to application and delete. I'm going to use the website, the web version of it. I'm not going to use the application because it doesn't work.
There's a web version of it? That's new.
I open it, but I cannot log in. But I've I found out that I can use it online via browser. So I'm not going to download the application. I'm just going to do it on browser. Saving more space though. And why do my avatar looks like this ya? Kok jelek ya? Tunggu.
You know?
Gimana sih bikin waktu itu? Oh, there. I remember that I have my own avatar creating with you. Okay, there you go. We have them. Collect your wallet and check if it own exclusive avatar. My wallet? Aduh, lupa lagi wallet yang mana.
You don't know.
My wallet. Connect my wallet. Oh, okay. To connect my wallet, I have to use. Oh, I know. I have to use Google Chrome. Hold on. I'm going to use Google Chrome, yeah? Okay. All right. I'm going to log in now. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Continue with wallet, continue with Google aja lah. Kita ke sini. Okay, validating. Sarah, why do you always sit near the speaker? Like more than once?
What do you mean?
I don't know. I saw in your story, WhatsApp, about sitting next to speaker,
Oh, that was for orchestra.
loudspeaker. Do you happen to just have a spot nearby the loudspeakers, or does your school has lots of them, so you don't have anywhere else without any loudspeakers, something like that?
Um, I was at school, yeah, but like it was for orchestra. We had to play a song for 17 Agustus.
Oh, I see.
Like on a Monday we celebrated, right? And then
Oh, okay.
and then to celebrate it we had to play songs and some other stuff. Jadinya. And then um yeah, I'm also in orchestra and I play the cello. And then when I sat, the speaker was right next to me. But it was moved.
All right. So,
Like that was like during practice, and then it was moved next to my friend.
okay.
So it's still a bad thing.
By the way, and then do you play games like, what do you call it? Tug and pull, something like that, tarik tambang. What is Sarah? What do you call it? Or like race with blah
Tug of
blah.
war.
It's supposed to be really, really interesting at
Tug of
school.
war.
Again, yeah. Do you have it at school?
We had it last year, but for some reason my grade didn't do it this year.
Not too bad. That's a must, I think. But I saw on social media people are playing those things like, rolling inside a card box or something, and then they race in, yeah, by like keeping yourself inside a round of cardboard, and then race to get to some point, and then it looks like it's the years 17 Agustus, lomba paling keren gitu. I don't know about tug and war, but it is a mandatory, I think.
Well, it's not apparently.
Hey, what's this? Okay, I'm going to build my own experience, but I'm figuring out if I connect my wallet, can I get paid for it? Like, can we sell assets on Sandbox like we sell assets on Roblox? I don't know. I'd like to find out. But I cannot connect my MetaMask. Why? Connect. I have I have a wallet. Here, my wallet is there. I have, oh, I see. I forgot what. Hold on. I have this MetaMask. Let me check my wallet. Okay. MetaMask.
Something. Let me ask you something.
Okay, what's this?
Let me ask you something.
What?
Have
What
you
is
ever
it?
heard of GDevelop?
What is it?
I don't know.
Sorry? Have I what?
Have you ever heard of
Develop what?
GDevelop?
Ah, I heard somewhere. Wait, let me Google.
You can like,
Is it about God? Is it Godot or something? Is it Godot?
what's that?
Hold on, Sarah. I don't know. It's some kind of programming language. Hold
Oh
on,
no.
but I have to make sure if it's flop. Oh, I don't know. Oh, this is a platform just like Unity and Game Maker, but I haven't tried this before. It's different than Godot. I don't know. Why? You want to try? I don't, but I have no idea about.
No, I had to use it.
You have to use it at school.
Yeah, I joined a club, game development design.
Okay, why did you choose this one? Because it's free or because it's good or what?
Because the guy who was there told us to use it.
Okay, you want to explore it today? Because if you want to do it, then I will do it.
No,
I will.
I'm
Oh,
confused on how you use it too, though. So,
hold on. I think it's easy to use, Sarah. Just create an account and do it on browser.
Emma,
Okay, I'm on it. I'm on it. So I'm going to
download the
create
code.
my own cryptocurrency, and then the email. I can use. Oh, okay. I'm going to use it. Google. Login with Google. Okay, so we let go. We will let go ini ya. We will let go. This is, yeah, I have this view too. I'm going to close my sandbox, by the way. So I can.
Oh, new templates in Roblox.
It's like very much like Roblox. Ah, Sarah, find out if if we can collaborate in this platform. So it's going to be nice to do it together. Ah, okay.
Oh, this
Oh,
one.
okay. I'm in. I'm in. Okay, good.
Actually, I already made a game. I had to make a
I'm
game.
in. Okay, let's do it. Let's try it. I'm going. We can we can also have classrooms. Oh, okay, build. How about build? Ready-made games. Browse all templates. Start with a template. Eh, looking good ya. I want to, gimana ya caranya?
This is how much
Oh,
I.
create a project ya. I'm going to try to create a project. Mobile portrait, desktop and mobile, and desktop full.
Yeah.
Desktop aja ya, project. Okay, my first project. My first project. I'm going to use it for desktop full HD. I'm going to add project. Okay.
Have you heard of the competition? It's called the Indonesian Innovation Technology Challenge.
What competition?
Yeah, have you heard of that?
Too much competition, Sarah. Don't ask me to
Oh,
make competition. I think.
I'm joining that one.
Oh, really?
I mean, cause my teacher was talking about it.
When is the competition?
I don't know.
Huh? Because I was there's a competition, but I think the deadline is for this month. I don't know, but I wanted to offer you the competition, but since you're so busy, then I
Oh no,
didn't.
I know, no, no. I already
I'm
joined
going.
one anyway. I'm about to join one anyway.
You're busy already, right? So okay.
About to join one.
Do you need to um hold on?
No,
Do
I'm
you
just
have to prepare for the competition?
the Indonesian Innovation Technology Challenge has many how do I say it? Many branches, many um
Many
Yep.
categories.
Yeah, many categories.
Is it about Sarah? Is it about computation or about programming or about problem solving or about math?
No, that's the thing. The Indonesian Innovation Challenge is itu about. Wait, I'm just gonna open the site, man.
Show it on your screen.
I'm Alice.
Oh, oh no. Okay, let me check. Ah, robotics. Oh my goodness. This? All right. Is it on
Present.
right?
Huh?
Which category? Which category did you choose, Sarah?
I'm
The
doing
software programming
presenting this.
in Teams or just yourself?
With in team with my friends.
Oh, okay, good. What is presentation? Is it a presentation about some projects or
Like
innovation technology? Yeah, right?
yeah, it's a still an idea related to technology, but it's like you have to present an innovative idea.
Oh, okay, I see. So you guys already have ideas for this?
No.
Okay, is it going to be a code or a game or like just research?
We okay, now the thing is we need to make a demonstration of this, and I'm not even really sure. I mean, like, we haven't registered yet, but like we're about to. But if we do register, we have to make
Let me read. Oh, let me read.
okay.
Okay, each team will build a technological solution. Robot? Huh, Sarah. It has to be something, oh. It has to be some product. The technological solution will demonstrate the innovative design and application for some problem related to food, infrastructure, available management of water and sanitation, urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. Don't use any dangerous materials, such as water, fire. Creativity of the concept, significance of technology, completeness, presentation. So basically, you have to make a product, Sarah.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, the easiest way is to create it with Arduino, I think. Right?
If only I know these Arduino. But yeah.
Yeah.
I joined a similar one last year. It was called ICJ. It was hosted by Microsoft. But I didn't win.
All right. So then you are feeling pretty confident on this one?
I did not win.
No. Okay, how about food
So
security, improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture? I lots of things to do, loh. Maksudnya there's a lots of idea. Once we got one which is proper enough, then it's good. So this game creating is different project, right?
what do you mean?
Or huh?
This one, the one I'm doing right now?
Yeah,
Yeah, this is different.
different.
This for clubs.
Oh, the clubs. How's the security club thingy?
Also, what security lock thingy?
You have this uh, this group, right? With the like cybersecurity something that you set up on Instagram.
Oh yeah, that was for school. We're really done with that.
Is it still active?
No. Yeah.
I'm adding I'm adding some characters to my scene. Close. Yeah. Oh, female karakter, Sarah. Okay. I'm going to add kok banyak banget? Kok semua banget sih dikasih female
What?
karakter? Okay, let me add.
Male care. Oh.
I'm adding some Yeah, but I don't know how to. Oh, we can edit the behaviors and everything. But how do I put it on the seed? Can I just drag it? Oh, there is no global object. There are no global object.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, whatever.
Setting an object as adding a new object. Huh? Oh, okay. I have to. Okay. So I'm going to make this set as global object. Okay. 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 The female character is going to be the global object. And then I'm going to edit behaviors. Add a behaviors. Yeah. Top down movement. Oke. Ih, kok udah jadi langsung? Ini review. Nggak ada apa-apa. Nothing happens, nothing happens. Hold on, what's it? Untitled scene. Bingung, aku bingung. Tunggu, ini objeknya. Oh, add instance to the scene. Ah, so small.
What?
I'm adding a character to the. And it is so small. How do I move it? It's some kind of it is a little bit like game maker, but I have to figure out how do we
Make it.
can I just how to play it? Oh, it's playing. I'd like to know if it's drag and drop or scripting, because game maker can do both, right? I don't know if GDevelop can do. I'm too lazy to watch the tutorial. Hold on. Oh, already there, Sarah. That tiny little thingy. It is moving like a flea. So small. You know, this is so. Oh my God. What's? Oh, okay. At least it is moving, and it is moving weirdly, like in circles. Okay, but like okay, but I don't know how it works. But how to make it interesting?
Interesting.
Interesting. Oh, we can edit. Okay, I'm going to edit. So I'm going to make it bigger. Edit with pixel. Can I make it bigger? Okay, this is moving right, let's bring down. Changing animation. How do I make it bigger? Behaviors. Oh, acceleration. Wow, and variables. Wow, and effect. Oh, okay. Properties. Okay. Thank you for producing this one. I think I'm going to introduce it to my other students if I, once I know how to make it. No, but I know, but I still haven't figured out how to make it bigger.
I'm really confused. I can be really confused.
How do I make it? Oh, I can make it bigger, Sarah. All right.
Yeah, of course you can make it bigger.
Right. Yeah, we can make it bigger just dragging it. I don't know.
Iyalah.
Ya enggak lah, enggak selalu. Bigger now.
Iyalah.
Sarah, this is lucu banget.
Gimana
Ih,
sih?
lucu dong ada animasinya. Enggak dong. In Game Maker you don't drag to make it bigger loh.
Ya, tapi this is different. This is not Game Maker lah.
Ya, ini bagus ya. Bagus loh. Aduh gimana? Oke, I need to make just cuma di drag. Oke, I'm going to make this girl eat something. How to do it? So I'm
Huh?
going to find add new object ya. I'm
Oh,
going to
that's
find
pretty hard.
apple. I'm going to find some apple. Back. How to make it eat? Oh, ada dino segala. Seriusan nih. Ada yang paid stuff you cannot use freely, Sarah.
You can add plat. You can.
So I'm going to new object from scratch. I'm going to draw my own. Ada sprite. Ada sprite-nya sendiri. General cuma okay, I'm going to create with Pisco. Okay, I'm going to create my own ya. My own and only. Ih, jahat. Nggak boleh pakai Safari, harus pakai Chrome. Ih, jahat. Jahat banget.
Oh, udah pakai Chrome.
You know that I use
Pues,
Safari most all the time. Okay, I'm going to draw something. Coba ya, biarin. Terserah. Warnanya apa? I'm going to make use of. Nggak ada warnanya. Masa langsung aja gini hitam kan jelek ya? Color picker? Why don't you have colors? Color picker nggak ada gunanya. Mana warnanya? Ih, jahatnya. Ya udah gini aja. Kalau gitu, I'm going to Control Z bisa nggak? Nih. Oke, Control Z lagi. Udah bikin circle aja. I'm going to make a circle or something, and then I will color it, and then save. Namanya food. Save. My laptop is lagi. Ih, foodnya jelek. Edit lagi ya. Karena lagi apa sih lihat? Oke, add new behavior ya. I am going to draw my own food. Buka dong gimana bukanya? Edit with Pisco. Yalah terserah. Is not support. Jahat banget sih.
I just realized that I was muted.
Safari?
No.
Oh, Google Chrome. It is always use lots of resources, so it's greedy, Safari is more efficient, so I prefer using it.
Oh, like Safari.
And it is safer too, as secure, I mean.
I don't use Safari.
Jelek gak ada warnanya. Let me know ya, Sarah, if you create a sprite and then you figure out how to add colors, because my black and white. Oke, udah. Gak apa-apa. Black and white it is ya. Oke, I have a sprite and then apply. Udah apply aja lah. An object new sprite. Itu namanya new sprite. Rename. Wood. Okay, can I add add instance to the scene? Gede banget,
I don't know how I don't know how. No, yeah, I don't know how.
You know how?
No, I'm
Hold on,
confused.
hold on. Kok nggak bisa geser nih? Kok nggak mau geser ya? Apa nih maksudnya nih?
Let's go
Apa sih?
over extensions. Let's go over extensions and do basically everything from platformer controls to a health system and so much more. You can see that some of these behaviors are built for specific objects. So I can add a behavior to the object. The draggable behavior can now be differently, and some of them will even come with their own events. Now for extensions. If you go to your project manager, you can go down to the extensions section and click on create or search for a new extension, and you'll find
Oh, that's how you do it. Okay, I was so confused. Watching the tutorials.
Kakak, what?
Oh, I already added it. Never
Okay,
mind.
okay, I'm going. Okay, I'm going to watch you, yeah.
No, never mind. I already did it anyway. So I just realized I did not do anything.
How to do it? How do it? Because I already have health points and damage already.
No, I'm just experimenting.
Huh?
I'm experimenting on how I do this. Cause I am really confused right now. So
Oh,
yeah.
okay. So,
Now that-
yeah, I'd like to see how first behavior. It has too many options. That's confusing.
Now what will happen? Is it gonna be like full of hearts or what? I don't get it.
I will just watch you because I am confused enough. I'm still moving around my object and it didn't work.
I am pretty confused right now.
But I got a feeling that once we know this is a good platform, by the way, because it has lots of sets.
But it's just really confusing sometimes.
But it offers too many options, so it's confusing. Like lots of behavior already. So I don't know. What is it?
I don't know what this is.
Oh, or I'm going to find some.
How do I go to
I'm going
this?
to close any sandbox. Need to close the sandbox thingy because it is my computer lagi.
Have you ever heard of FNAF?
Let me. Sorry, Sarah.
Have you ever heard
I
of
haven't heard.
FNAF?
What is it? What
How do you
is
make this?
What? You create? Where? Whoa! Where?
I didn't create
How did
it.
you do this?
I didn't create it. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how you make this.
I want to make this kind of game. Let's find out. Exactly like that one. Hah? Bagus banget. Ah, tapi gimana sih codingnya? Where do we find the code? I'm going to find some tutorial. Creating your own with GDevelop. GDevelop. So looks good, yeah.
We have blue. So blue go here. Then we have else. So blue go to blue.
Okay, download and install. Download the game. Create an
Blue here.
play for the game. Platformer.
And we have red.
How to make a game step by step.
And we have once again another else.
Let me. Very easy.
What is this? I'm so smart.
Let me watch. Let me watch. Let me watch.
This. And then what if we don't do that? What?
Ini main.
And then.
From its website. So with that being said, let's start developing
Okay.
kind of S.
Then all
Or
of
if you
it.
don't, then you can click on this randomize option in order to randomize it. Now I'm going to be clicking on over here to desktop full HD mode and optimize it for the pixel art as we will be creating a pixel art game. Now click on this create project option. Now up here you can see the interface. It is very simple and very easy to use. So I'm going to be sharing with you how can you create the game. So first of all, over here you have the very simple objects option. You can add your object. The object includes various things like the sprites. Sprite are the characters which you have to add, like the players and all. And there is also title sprite option, which will help you in order to create your own ground and all. We have the panel sprite, 3D box, and 3D model. So let's start with the sprite. So I'm going to be adding a sprite and let's name it like player. And let's start by importing the images. Let's add the image from the asset store. Now this is the image for our idle position. So you can rename it like renaming each of the animation would be really great for you in order to organize your animations. Now we will be adding another animation. Let's name it run. And let's add another sprite. Now after adding it, let's add this to loop. And then you can change the timing even though you can decrease it or increase it and then click on this preview option. But let me mention over here that you can edit the image using the Pascal, which is the inbuilt pixel editor. And let's see the preview. So as you can see, we have it running on. All right, that's great. Let's increase the time. This looks perfect. All right, okay. And now we need to add behaviors. Now, behavior tab is very important for the player because it adds physics to your player. So I'm going to be adding a behavior. For example, this player is a platformer character and it should jump, run on the platform. So we need to add this platform character. Now, by default, it has certain settings. You can easily remove these things, for example, from this jump speed or gravity, then you can change it over here. And you can change the name or object even. All right, now this will add certain behaviors to our very basic, which is adding forward movement, backward movement, and jumping motion. So I'm gonna be
Yeah, I'm going to watch this tutorial till the end so I can get all the ideas of creating a new game.
Okay.
Yeah, let me watch the tutorial, okay? The Indian tutorial. Indian
hitting
tutorial.
the apply again, and let's drag our player into the canvas, and now increase the size a bit. All right, looks great. Now you can also toggle on the grid option. So you can click on this show grid. Now this will basically show the grid. Now you can set up the grid according to your need, according to your pixels. Now I'm going to be adding another ground over here. Now we need a ground so that our player can run over it. So in this time, we will be adding an object of tiled sprite. And as you can see, we have added a ground over here. Let's drag it in.
Oh.
And let me show you the difference between the normal sprite and the tile sprite. So this normal sprite can be zoomed in.
Hold on. Do I have seen? Do I have seen? Do I have seen? Right. Oh, I have objects. Hold on. Oh yeah, I have it. All right.
You can change the scene. Very interesting.
Yeah. Let me watch again. Let me watch again. This is so interesting, eh? I forgot entirely about sandbox right away. This is this is more interesting, yeah. I think
and zoomed out like this. If this is rescaled, then it will multiply like this.
Ah, nice. Is it easier to multiply? Multiply. Multiply. Say it like idiot. Multiply. Multiply. Ah,
So this is a very basic feature and the feature which we need to create a ground. So let's kind of make it a bit long. All right, that's great. So basically, in order to get the preview, you can click over here in this section to add a preview.
yeah. Oh,
And as you can see, our
You fell
player is not getting into the ground. Basically, it is falling in because we have not set the ground behavior. So this is how it is important. This time we will be adding it to platform
oh.
so that the player can run on it and it apply. Now let's preview the main game. And as you can see, now I can move my player and even though jump over here.
Okay, but it's
All right.
half baked game, right? I mean, they already gave us all the features and all the modules, so we just choose and then implement our ideas. We don't have to do it from scratch. Like you don't have to set the movements or the gravitations or the animation. They also already give us. Oh, this is nice. If we want to create a game quickly, nicely, neatly, efficiently, so you develop it because it is straightforward. Yes. Oh, this is cute. Is this your own setup, Sarah? Like the all the assets and everything.
No.
I mean, the platform looks good and player looks nice. Mine is, like scattered in crazy.
Why am I doing in this here? This is useless. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go to my other game, my original game.
All right, I'm still going to watch the tutorials.
Looks great. Now let's add certain event to the game. Like in the beginning, it will zoom into the character. So we can do it by this event tab. So you can zoom in and zoom out. Now over here, I'm going to be deleting this one. And let's add an action. So at the beginning of the scene, you can add an action and you can choose objects which are player and the ground. And even though you can choose another options, for example, over here, you can go for camera. Now we will be select this center the camera on the object and let's choose the player and let's change it to 2. You can similarly change it to 2 or maybe 3. This is really best. So hit OK. Now let's have a look at the preview and as you can see now it is zoomed into our player. All right. Let's add certain animation so that if the player will move then the camera will follow it. So in order to do so we will be adding another.
Make the camera following. Camera. Oh, this is looking good. Hold on, Sarah. I have to check. Yeah. Hold on, Sarah. I have to open it.
So if we add a so-called laser spikes, and then we were to increase the size by like this much and also increase the height as well. And if we were to edit the behavior, then remove this one because it's useless and it won't work. Then we add another behavior. Then what do we do? I wonder. Exactly, I also wonder too. How am I supposed to kill the thingy? character. Because I don't know how. Exactly. I get it. Okay. Now how am I supposed to do this scheme? Because every single time it always works. I mean, it never works, I mean. Because it just never works and I just don't get it at all. So what am I supposed to do? So what the hell am I supposed to do? Because I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I just don't get it. I don't get it at all. Are you mental? Are you psychological? Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind? Or am I? I don't know. I just freaking don't know. Your life is so confusing. Try to imagine nothing. It's hard to imagine nothing, right? Because nothing, if you imagine just black, it's still something, right? So imagine nothing. Imagine nothing at all. Imagine absolutely nothing. Imagine nothing at all. But we can't imagine nothing. Isn't that amazing how we can't imagine nothing? So whatever we imagine is always something because it's hard for humans to imagine nothing. Since if we were to imagine nothing, it will always be something because we don't know what nothing is. So what exactly is nothing? I wonder. Just think about it. If we have nothing, okay, just try imagine nothing. But if you imagine just black, that's still something, right? It's still black, and black is a color. Colors is something. But what is nothing? That's the point. We don't know what nothing is. Can't imagine nothing. And how are we supposed to know what nothing means?
You're going to go. You are going to add pathfinding thingy crazy.
Did you hear me what I said before?
Okay, this is hold on. Is one it? Oh, are you going to create something like? Hold on. What is the name of the game? Where you where you running on a platform? Oh, what is it? Forgot. Ah,
Did
the
you did
start
you
and everything.
did you hear what I was saying before?
What?
Did you hear what I was saying before?
A bit. Just the end of the sentence.
Oh well, I'll tell you anyway. Okay.
Okay.
Now listen. Try to imagine nothing.
I cannot.
Because if you try to
How
imagine
could?
nothing, you're gonna think of black, right? And black is a color, and that is still something.
Yeah. So
Oh.
it is basically impossible to imagine nothing, right?
Yeah, because we don't know what nothing is. And if nothing
Yeah.
is nothing,
Yeah.
if nothing is not something,
Uh-huh.
how do
So,
we know what nothing is? How do we know
uh,
what it is exactly?
yeah. Yeah. That make
One,
my brain hurt, Sarah, please.
it's an interesting question, right? Like it makes you think.
Yeah. 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 It's like we're thinking about existence, and it makes your brain hurt. Like don't think about those things, right? Just eat and play and sleep and
Ooh.
don't think about those things. Okay. What is the game? Hold on. I was going to. What's the game? Platformer. when you have spikes to avoid. Apa sih nama gamenya, Sarah? Ada deh, yang bentuknya itu. It has like, like a geometrical geodust. Geometry dust, right?
Geometry Dash.
You want to do something like that
Sure.
with this game. Okay, I'm going to
Moment, which is change the camera X position. So this can be done in the same behavior. So let me close it and add another event. This should be an empty event. And let's add a condition. So for example, let's change the x-axis of the camera. And you can set it to player. And then you can type in center. And then you can pass in a value. But for now, we are not going to pass any value. Now let's hit OK. And you are done. Now let's change the camera zoom angle. So we need to add a camera again and add this camera zoom. Now we will be adding a 3 to this option and we will be zooming it to the base layer and hit OK. Now let's preview our game. So as you can see, now we have a game where I can move my player and we can even though jump our player. That's great. Now let's add certain other animations. So let's add an event that if we press the right key, then our player should move towards the right and also it will play the animation run. You can click on this player and go with control press or stimulate. Now let's choose right and hit OK. Now we will be adding animation to the player. And let's set the animation by name. And we will be setting the animation to run. Hit OK. And let's have a look at the preview. So basically, as you can see, when we are pressing the right key, it is moving right. And you can see we are pressing left, then nothing is happening. And also when we stop pressing, then also it is running. Let's fix it. Let's add an event. You can simply duplicate it. So just click on copy and then simply add paste. Now this will add another similar one. So we need to change the key to left and hit OK. Now we are also going to flip the animation or object. So I'm going to be add another action to the player and let's flip it. So we will be flipping the object horizontally over here and let's activate the flipping. Hit OK. So, all right, now it works. Let's see. All right, you can see when we move it to the left, it is moving to the left. When we are moving it towards right, it is not flipping again. So we can fix it by copying this statement again into over here. Now let's change it to no. Now let's click on preview.
What the heck?
Iklan. Ish.
Kaget loh.
We have the game character running.
I start to
Finally,
understand.
and we can even though jump it. Now, as you can see, the jump strength is a bit higher. So we are going to fix it. So I'm going to be changing the layer over here and go to behavior tab. As I have told you, you can set the gravity and
Oh,
jump
can
speed.
also say.
And let's change the point speed a bit.
Hey, what is it? Is it working?
Oh no, it's just that my thing dies when I reach the fire lasers thingies. It's
Alright.
gone. But I need to make it respawn somehow.
What? Have you saved the file in case
Yeah.
so you don't have to start all over again? I start to understand how these things work, but it certainly works differently than Game Maker.
And sustain time to 0.1. Hit apply and let's see the preview. We can fix it a bit more. Okay, now you can see our player is jumping to a little height, which is great. And even though it is running. And as you can see, when we stop running, it is also now also playing the animation. So let's fix it by going over to events again. And let's add a condition over here to the player. So let's change the player moving option. So click on this. And in order to invert a condition, you can simply toggle this button over here and hit OK. Now this is the inverted condition, which means if the player is not moving, then we will be adding animation again to the player that it should stop the animation. So we will be changing the animation again, and let's set it to idle, back to idle basically. Now let's look at the preview. So as you can see, when we stop playing the animation, it is basically getting back to the idle animation again. So as you can see, there is a problem over here that whenever we are running, it is basically moving towards the end with the height over here. We are basically having a levitating effect over here. So let's fix it. So what we can do over here, we can change the collision property of the object. In order to do so, you can double click on this object panel and click on this property and edit collision mask. Now we can basically change the collision properties. Use a custom collision mask again here. And you can change the collision property to like this one.
Can you make it just fit?
All right, looks great. Now you can change the frame and over here. So I'm going to be just turning this both of these button off. And let's go to animation one.run. And let's change this to up to here. So once you are done, hit close and apply. And let's look at the preview over here. And we can even though jump the player and we can run it basically. So let's add the background so that the game looks more good. So I'm going to be adding a new object over here. Add a tile thread basically, and let's search for a background. So I'm going to be changing the name to BG and choose a file from the asset store. And you have a lot of options over here which you can choose from. So let's select a simple one and hit apply. And let's add it over here to this position. And let's increase its size. All right, let's change the layer property. So I'm going to be adding it to the base layer again. And you can change the Z order to 0 in order to move it to the back side.
Oh.
And when you are done, let's look at the preview. So finally, as you can see, we have created a game very easily. And this is how it looks. Now, as you can see over here, the ground is a bit empty. So let's add some rocks. So again, I will be adding a new sprite. Let's change this to soil. Add an image from the asset store again, and let's select soil. Let's again resize that soil so that it could fit the entire window. As you can see now, we have a player which is running like this, and even though we can jump the player. And we are done with the first part of our tutorial. So this was it. You can create your very own bit.
Okay, not that easy, but I got the idea now. Right.
How do I?
How do you watch? I was watching
Oh my god.
tutorial to do a platformer, and the coding is basically, like making a list of behaviors. So it doesn't look like a drag and drop the drag and drop doesn't look like a drag and drop a block, like programming or like
It's not exactly scripting either though.
I don't know.
It's like you have to add behaviors like for example, you have to add a condition and add an action.
Yes, like this. Exactly. Then when you have you want to add some behavior, you add the list, expand the list, and then you list like when it stops, what do you want the characters to do, or the background, or some other events. The most confusing thing is that there are thousands of options and we just can't decide which one and it is too like too crazy to try it one by one. See, you have animation elapse, you have scale on blah and camera thingy and all.
There's no spawn. Is there like summon?
Right? Oh, you want to spawn?
I wanted to spawn again because I made it die and now it's gone.
Oh, after you hit the spike, you want to spawn the player, right? Ah! But meanwhile, I just want to eat some object and then get a score. Just
Checkpoint. I need to look
like
for
that. Then you do it.
What did you say?
Yeah, I'm trying to make my character eat something. And it's good. Let's save it first. Kailangan develop
Where is it
the
any?
intuitive, yes.
Because
Okay,
like
where is my object?
ito from a long, long time ago.
I'm going to delete this one. Jelek. Hapus. Delete. Okay. I'm going to add new object, which is okay, another sprite. Let's see if food. And then should I
I'm cold.
import image aja deh? Enggak
Cold.
import dong. Choose from asset store dong. Oh, nice. Apple. Can you find awesome food?
5, 12, okay.
Let
Hmm.
let it eat something. Finally, Sarah. I got some apples. No shadow.
Is there no sessions on Monday?
Monday?
Yeah.
Monday. I can make I can make Monday is usually occasionally when I get home earlier, then I can do the class because I usually use Monday to go to things like hospital or fixing the car or other things. So I will let you know if on Monday I can open the class. Would you like to join on next Monday?
No.
So what did you ask?
I just wanna know.
Okay. Oh, just let me know, yeah, if you want to.
Because, I definitely can't join Tuesday though, like for sure.
Oh my God, you are as busy as a president, Sarah. Maybe more.
Like on Tuesday, I go to school like around like I don't know 6:40 let's say, and then I go home at like I meet at home at like around 7:20.
Seriously, it's like more than 12 hours in at school. Outside, I mean, 12
Yes,
hours outside the house.
yeah, because I have school like until 2:50, and then after that I have clubs until 3:30, and then after that I have um
Traffic jam until
sorry,
ten to 3 hours.
my school ends at 2:10, and then after that I have club until the game development design until 3:30, and then I have cello lesson until 5:40 or 30, I forgot. And then I have piano lesson until 6:20, and then there's traffic, so I go home late.
Oh my God, just listen to it. Give me headache. Yeah. I mean, I'm flexible, and when we find
Ooh,
good schedule, then just let me know.
I found out something.
What is it? What is it? What is what is
I
it?
can
What is
set a
it?
checkpoint for my character
You can set a checkpoint.
somehow, I
Wow.
think.
You set a variable.
Yeah, that's what it's called, I
Hmm.
think. But I'm gonna be confused though, so.
Oh, we can set the variables as well. So I think after this, I want to learn how to make points. But
Equals
now let me eat this one.
checkpoint dot x. How about dot y?
At the beginning, nggak usah. Add a new event? No.
When is necessary, create the necessary on the scene and cover conditions and
Just
wait, what?
delete this one. Can I just delete this one? Siapa yang mau nge-add ini? Nggak mau. Delete. Add new event.
Modify the value.
Nggak mau. Oke. Berarti sekarang nambahin apa? Add. For each object. For each object, select an object. Lupa tadi female karakter berapa sih? Female karakter berapa tadi Sarah?
Don't know.
Pak, rename aja lah ini. Siapa sih namanya si ini? Oke, let's name it si gila. Okay. So okay. Let me name the food.
The platformer tutorial, that's nice. So create an object for a checkpoint. The first step is to create an object. By this point in tutorial, it should be from the process. Okay. To objects. What is objects? Okay, I know objects. Create a sprite named drag one or more instances of the object into the scene. Okay, let's just do that. Like real quickly.
Okay, let me do. How about removing all other character ya, liur pisan ini hapus.
Wait. Let's just say that this is a checkpoint, right? It's really weird though.
Wait.
I'm not gonna name it checkpoint. Then save the player's coordinate when they reach a checkpoint. You can use variables to save the coordinates of the checkpoint, and then when the player says you can send them back to them. You can access the X and Y. These statements are both examples of expressions. You save the coordinates of the player when you create an event, create a collision event, create a value of the scene variable action that creates it.
Check out them all.
Player as collision with checkpoint. Change the scene variable checkpoint X set to checkpoint X. Change the scene variable set to checkpoint Y set to checkpoint Y.
What is it? You sound like a bot, Sarah.
Create a value. Wait. I'm really confused. Okay, let's create a new event first.
Tempat makannya di mana?
Wait.
Okay, now I got this. Umbrella scene, ECG, add condition. Apa dong? Collision.
Hello.
Hello. Collision stop, collision start. Collision aja deh. Kalau collision sama food. Oke. Yes. Nggak tahu lah. If the food is salah. Collision with baby.
Too dark lah, man.
Mana sih gimana? Coba tunggu. Collision add action. Apa dong? Delete. Oh. There I found. Okay. I think I found out. Oke ya. Sekarang dia harus bisa Let me record this. Dia harus bisa makan si apel. Set. Bisa, Sarah. Alright. I'm happy enough. Tapi dia kenapa sih bergeraknya muter? I'm going to fix the animation. Animationnya tuh. Astagfirullahaladzim. Ini nggak usah jadi global object kali. Bingung. Gimana sih? Kenapa sih animasinya mesti muter? Kan nggak usah. Biasa aja deh. Walking down, walking left. Kenapa? Why do you have to do like, like why? Apa sih harus muter? Ini udah bagus, tapi kenapa muter? Terus gimana? How do I fix it? Jadi biar ya. Oh, this one rotation. Gak usah ada rotation lah. No. I think I fixed it. I think I fixed it. Okay, move.
Okay, create a value of a scene variable that creates. Okay, I'm still so confused. Wait.
Sarah, away. Now, I'm going to add.
Create a new.
Sarah, have you found out? Have you figured out how to print something on the scene? I'm going to add some scoring.
Wait. So if cyber
Okay.
collide.
What? Share the screen. I'm going to share my screen.
Yeah, I forgot. I
Probably.
don't share my screen. I meant to share my screen, but I didn't share.
Probably share my screen. Gimana sih, Sarah? I don't think I have. I have to screenshot first. Nah, tunggu ya. Sekarang I'm going to add more food ya.
Oh.
And then kok kecil? Kecil. Yang coba ini bisa. Mulai hilang. Ctrl Z. Oh, jahat ini mah, Sarah.
There's an undo button over there.
Mana? Sarah. Lost everything. Gimana nih? Bad develop. Bad you. Harusnya di save tadi ya. Ya aduh. Nambahin lagi. Ya ampun. Import image. Tadi gimana lagi nambahin import? Nggak gini. Tapi terus from asset store kan. Nah, ini ya. Apple spinning, apple no shadow, mau yang ini. Oke. Terus kasih nama food. Bye. Nah, ini ada lagi sekarang. Ya udah deh, ini digedein aja lah. Taruh. Udah gitu gede lah. Terserah lah. Ini mau di copy nggak sih? Duplicate gitu. Nah, gini. Nah, kan?
Check with exit.
Sekarang,
What?
review. I'm going to eat all the apples ya. Tapi skornya gimana ya, Sarah? Udah bisa. Oke. Sekarang kita coba. Bagus juga ya. Thank you ya, Sarah. For pointing out this. Get confusing. Aduh, gimana ya scoring ya? Oh, berarti tambah di sini dong ya. Add action. Score. Skor apaan? Gimana?
I'm thinking right now.
They don't give us scoring easy.
Create a value of scene variable action that creates checkpoint X variable with a value of checkpoint X.
Scoring.
Create a value of scene variable action that creates a checkpoint X variable with a value of checkpoint X. How am I supposed to do that?
I got confused. Hold on. Action apa? Untotal cancel. Apa ya? Print coba print.
Am I supposed to create a variable? Is that what you're asking me?
Iya, variable. How do you do it? Should I set a variable called score for showing it?
I don't know. I'm confused. I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do right now.
But for this such a sophisticated tools, I think they should have a function to add score automatically, yeah.
You can add scores, but like you need to do some stuff.
Variable. Pusing. Tunggu ya. Cancel. At the beginning of the scene, repeat for each instance. Nah, kalau dia gini, delete food. Tapi juga variabel, coba ya, update variabel gitu. Variabel. Ini aja. Score. Satu. Terus gimana? R-nya berapa? 1. Ih, Serat. Look. I am brilliant. I am genius. Oke, gini kayak gini kan? Nah, kan? Ini apa? Kenapa jadi ada ini? Dan oke. Nah, kan? Skornya add 1 kan? Nah, sekarang gimana caranya ngeprint? How to print variable? Print.
You can print variables.
Ya. I don't know. Harusnya bisa dong, masa nggak bisa sih? Taunya skor gimana kalau nggak bisa di print? Oh, coba show. Gimana sih? Ya, Bang. Show score. Bukan. Coba deh kalau gitu. Ya udah deh gitu aja, other action. Oke aja deh. Apa dong? Cancel. Kan gini berarti. Nah, kalau di play jadi gimana? Emang dia ngeprint sendiri? Kan enggak. Oh, show variable sebenarnya. Ini Sarah lagi makan apel nih. Sarah makan apel. Sarah is eating apple. Kan dong. Tapi gimana? Nggak ada skornya. Apa nih?
Add like a platform, so you know.
Not yet. Don't ask me to add because I want to add this one. Gimana Sarah cetaknya? Ada network inventory Shopify.
Can I add like sound effects?
Display leaderboard. Save score. Save score. Gimana? Gak ngerti.
You can add a dev?
Tapi Sarah gimana?
So maybe like play like death. Okay, I got. Let's play with death, y'all.
Everything that are being input, device sensors, camera, audio, storage, no. Sound of music, no. Dia nggak tahu. Sensor. Oh,
This is nice. Okay.
aduh,
Then we
tadi.
can add delete. My friend, she says delete as delayed.
Ah,
72669. That means if I were to do this.
Kan udah. Nah, skornya taruh di sini, Sarah. Nah, kan, udah. Terus apa?
Like wait, is there wait? Oh yeah, here wait. Wait. Like 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Then delete it. Okay, let's test this.
Apaan tuh?
Meh. Bear key. It just falls. What the heck? That's supposed to fall.
Yes.
Behavior.
Start or reset the timer. This the global variable. Okay. At the beginning of the scene. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Then, what do we have there? This the global variable for popular.
Okay, let's jump. That was like about like a second, right? So like, wait, how long is? Wait. I like this. I'm liking this.
Oh,
This is
oh,
actually
oh, oh, I know. Have to insert the global object. There. Dulu. Oh, I'm getting better at this. I think. A bit. A little bit.
Look. No, never mind.
Ih, Sarah. Kok
It's
nggak
not,
bisa global?
not enough time lah. Let's give it 2 seconds lah. Maybe like 2.5 seconds lah.
Alright, whatever you want. Hold on. I am working. Harus pakai skor. Ya lo harus ada timer. Let me read. Huh? Select value of a global variable.
Okay. Try again. No, it was like less than a second. So like 2.5 is not enough. It's too long. So maybe like 1.5 left. I want him to suffer. Oh no, not just 1 second.
Global tuh nggak ada.
Apa yang nggak ada? Enggak ono.
Global nggak ada. Here's the global variable score set to 0. Udah. Berapa? Ya, udah tahu lah.
Ya 0.9 second aja coba.
Bisa. Reset the timer itu score timer. Harus pakai timer nggak sih? Nggak usah lah.
Timer apa sih?
Kok susah banget sih?
Tuh kan bisa. Mana sih?
Apa, Sarah?
Mana sih?
Ini ada di TV, di TV, di layar. Set the...
Titik lagi.
Oh, coba ya. Coba ya.
So now I can make the
Coba.
my character die
Coba aja.
from the laser spec, but I can't make it respawn. What's the percentage on that? Oh my god, no. What? I'm alone and I'm lonely. Isn't that so amazing? Like, totally. No, I'm just joke.
Sarah, internet was bad.
Okay.
I was compiling and then stop working.
Oh, it's 5:38.
Yeah. You want to end the class? We were compiling because the internet was bad. Now it should work.
Ay, baru nyadar.
Bisa, tapi nggak ada skornya. Oh tuh ada Sarah. Oh tapi dia nggak hilang. Tapi, oh I forgot something. The score is there, but oh I forgot ini. Loh, kan harusnya delete the food. Kok nggak? Rusak gamenya.
Maybe you're not doing it properly.
Okay, we'll do it next time. Kenapa dikasih itu jadi rusak ya? Tadi bisa kok kalau belum ada skornya. Sekarang dia nggak mau loh. Ih, jahatnya. Look, this is impossible. Dihapus aja deh kalau gitu. Kok hilang? Are we done, Sarah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know if you can make it next week, yeah. Promise. If you're busy, then it's okay. But if you can join the class, I'll be glad.
Okay.
Thank you so much, bestie.
Bye.
Bye bye. Take care.